love 3D printing.
So are you ready for the 3D printing club? You excited for it? All right. Are you guys interested in like having a club, a 3D printing club?
Yes.
Like a date?
Oh, movies.
There's probably a...
Is it doing something?
And you're new to this, right? I mean, we've had, what, 2 classes, 3rd class? So, as I was telling you, I know the people who make this software. Is it pretty easy to use?
Yeah, at first it was pretty hard. I wasn't sure how to move the objects, set them down, and
Right.
how to lift them. And today, I don't know.
It just fell into place?
Yeah.
I think that's exactly how you learn. The first day, can I print a A10 Warthog? Yeah. And I was like, I think you can. You see that? And you did that really right after the first class, right? And then you just took those off, and there you go. Yeah. That's fantastic. You know, you can paint that.
Thank you, DREMEL. We love 3D printing.